more upbeat.
No, I mean, why are you... do you have a hidden obsession for Dayanara? What?
I didn't.
No, 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 no.
Who sang
I
that?
feel like you always been. No, 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 no.
Who sang that?
No.
Who sang that?
Thank you, Direk.
Because I had to change my song.
I just have to feel that way because otherwise... So yung 6 lang po talaga?
Okay.
Diba? Oh, April Boy, ha?
Suggestion?
Bye, sir.
Hindi gusto magana. Pag-isipan.
Listen, I am alone and
Painumin mo lang ng tubig bago ko umalis. Kulang, hindi ka fully engaged. Actually, yung... I'm more worried pa nga kay Van kasi it's gonna be rework it.
Because you know me, and I think I was able to pull up my stereo more. And if there's no bell to it, that's what do you think of my song? By now.
Okay, ito na. Atake ko na. Originality yung boses mo. Walang originality yung boses mo dahil ayaw mong hanapin. Hindi mo hinahanap. Cover ka lang. Hindi, what you do is you don't go into it head on. You have to focus some more. Because, ay nako.
Gamani mong imong kuan ba?
Ha? Hindi yung trio kasi hindi. It's a question of the blending of the three voices. The three voices are too distinct. The first one, yung
Paano po yung fever? Yung fever po. Yan, ganda.
maganda yung fever, hindi ba? Ang ganda ng fever, hindi ko sinabi sa'yo, ang galing mo dito.
Hindi po yung fever yung coming from the rain pala.
Taman, yung version. No, napaka-technical, pero wala yung feeling. Which is so strange, napaka-emotional mo, tao. Pero, pag pumunta ka sa tablado, you are so conscious that you hit the right notes, that you do hit the right notes, but there is no feeling. Yung bang, para kang sumusulat, pero yung penmanship